So here's our train, our city train, and we've added something new now to it. You're looking at the zoo, and you've seen the city, and now we have in the back a Ferris wheel. And so pretty soon I'll turn that on, and you can see how that goes. And we'll turn on the train, and we'll see how it looks. So I think that pretty much completes our train program. And I'll get down here so you can see a little better. You see all the pieces. The Ferris wheel does have a motor, and we'll turn it on in a moment. So let's see what it does. Pretty fast Ferris wheel. So there is our complete system. All for the little friends to come over to the house and enjoy it.